First thing you need to know is that this printer does not have any Wi-Fi. We'll need to connect it using the cable that was included in the box. If you have lost the cable, I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. Alright, so let's get started. Before connecting the cable to your PC, we need to download the driver. In the box, it came with one of these CDs that has the driver. Unfortunately, most PCs don't have any drive for the CDs, so we'll need to get it from the Canon website. Let me show you how. So we'll open a web browser, and then in Google, we're gonna type Canon and the name of this printer, which is MF3010. And if you go down, the first option should be the official Canon website. Here I'm located in Canada, so that's why I'm seeing it. If you're in another market, you're gonna see the Canon website representing your market. Click on it. If you don't see it, simply go down and you should see Canon support for imageCLASS, again from the official Canon website. Click on it. And once you're on the website, go down. You should see download on the top. Software and drivers. You can close this. Alright, so number one here, select Windows. Then select which Windows you're running. I'm running Windows 10, so I'll leave it like this. If it's different, click here and select your Windows version. Go down and select the first one, which is imageCLASS MF printer drivers. Click on the download over there. It may take 2 or 3 minutes until it's fully downloaded. Once it's downloaded, go ahead, open the file. You can close the web browser. Then press next. Yes. Then press exit. Now it's time to connect the USB cable on the back of your printer and the other end on your PC computer. If your PC computer does not have a USB type A connector, like the one over here, you may need an adapter like this one, which is USB type A to USB type C. I'll put a link in the description. This one is made by Apple, very reliable even on Windows machines. If not, you'll need to get a cable that has a USB type C plug that connects to your printer, and I'll put a link towards one of those as well. Just check in the description. Alright, so I'll connect it to my computer. On the screen, I'll press accept and accept again. Then press OK. On your PC, we need to search for the Scan app. Most Windows PC comes with it. If not, you need to go on the Windows Microsoft Store to download it. Okay, so type on here Scan on the lower left side. Open the Scan app. It's made by Microsoft. Then under Scanner, you need to make sure that Canon MF3010 is selected. File type, you need to select which kind of file you would like from the scan. So choose from the list here. Maybe you want a PDF, for example. I'll choose JPEG. And you can also select Show More. And you're going to have the DPI resolution. Here we have up to 600. If you have a document with a lot of details and even some images or graphics, the higher the DPI number, the more details you'll get. Unfortunately, it also means that it will take a lot more time. Usually it only takes like 12 seconds, 15 seconds if you scan at the default 300 DPI. If you select 600, it can take twice as much or even more. So just be prepared. I'll leave it to 300. I think it's plenty for any kind of text document. And then save file to, so you can decide on which folder of your computer the file will be saved in. I'll leave it to desktop. When you're ready, press scan and wait. you're gonna get the confirmation that the scan got saved on the desktop. You can press view here, or you can close everything and go on the desktop, and the scan will be there. If we open, we get to see it. So this is it. I hope this was useful, quite easy. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, check my Amazon affiliate links, and I will see you in the next video.